The first major challenge in dissertation process lies in choosing a dissertation topic. Your choice determines how long it will take you to complete your study. For most doctoral students, it is an agonizing decision mainly because of uncertainty surrounding it. Has it already been adequately researched? Is it worthy of investigation? How original does it have to be? Is it manageable in scope? To know whether or not it has research, or if it is important to the field, you must first immerse yourself in literature base. It would not be worthwhile to conduct another study about a problem that has been sufficiently investigated unless, however, you conduct a meta-analysis, meta-ethnographic analysis, and literature synthesis. These research approaches synthesize findings across several studies. My name is Dr. Riaz. I have more than 30 years teaching and research experience in this topic. I am going approaches to choosing a topic. In selecting a research topic, students sometimes use what dreaming in a vacuum in field of research. Ray Martin stated that some students believe great ideas come from moment of inspiration. Students who walk in the park, backpack in the mountain, or sit in a quiet place to contemplate learn a lot about park, backpacking and contemplations, but a little less. Waiting for inspiration is not the best approach to topic selection. Dissertation topics do not mystically appear. Some students attempt to find a topic that fit a set of directly collected data, certain population to which the student has access, or prefer research methodology. This backward approach is also inappropriate and certain to irritate a potential advisor. The most effective and efficient way to select a topic are as follows. Now I would like to explain these part technique and topic for selection of the topic. First, become deep into relevant literature. Literature is very important for selecting a topic or choosing a topic. Number 2, engage in discussion with faculty and other scholars in your field, in your university or in your department. Write about your topic to help crystallize and organize your understanding. Commonly, students consider 3 to 5 potential topics before finally selecting on. It's in my observation of my 30-year teaching and research. Scrapping topic and starting over at least one is a norm. Now, question arises in mind where to look for potential topic. Dissertation topics rarely emerge out of the blue. You must proactively search them out. Here are some potential sources which I would like to share with you. First, your professional interest. What excites and energizes you? What career goal could be enhanced by studying a particular topic? Number 2, Faculty members, professional colleague and fellow student, listen to their suggestion about your potential topic. Number 3. Professional journal in your field. This is where you can find out the hot topic of the day and for the near future and in which you would like to conduct the research. Number 4. Librarian. Ask them to help you run a database search on some topic of interest. Make a list of keywords and phrases to initiate the search. Result of computer search should also help you discussion cover whether a dissertation is possible on this topic or whether the topic has been done to death. Dissertation. Review previously written dissertation, consult ProQuest dissertation and thesis dissertation abstract, international and American doctoral dissertation from whom you can order dissertation of interest. There are lot of dissertation are available in your department and please read those dissertation. They will be very helpful for you. Number 6. Oral defense. Discussion that occur during a dissertation oral defense often suggest potential topic. Attend as many of these you can. It opens your eye to what happened during a dissertation defense. Number 7. Current theories. Have any new theories come out in your field or existing theory being questioned? Number 8. The Internet, the best source in the world. A variety of sources exist on the Internet and I recommend you the Google Scholar is excellent source for searching of the dissertation topic. Number 8. Conference and seminar. Often these deal with the current interest area in the field. Talk with presenter and author to get their ideas about researchable topic. Number 10. Outside agency or professional organization that conduct research. Excellent source are National Education Research Laboratories. There are a lot of other websites are available. Number 11. Leading scholar in your interest area. Usually authors and researchers eagerly talk with some interest in their ideas and research. Call and find out what they are currently doing and ask their advice about potential study. Your current job setting. 12. Are there problems that need solution in your workplace? Your boss might have a pet topic that could enhance your career opportunity. However, be cautious. If you think a topic might be suggested in which you have no interest, you are better served not to conduct this research. A dissertation is an extensive scholarly endeavor and the topic should be one in which you have a strong interest. Number 13. Reference in field. Many handbooks or bibliography exist in most subjects. Some useful example in this area: Handbook of Research on Teaching that published by ERA. Harvard Review is another which is edited by graduate student at Harvard University. This journal provides review and opinion on the most topical education issue. Review of education research published in ERA is also very important. Yearbook of Society of National is also very important for selection of the dissertation. All discipline area have their own encyclopedia, handbook, yearbook. You can access them on the internet by keying in their area for example, education, psychology, and other areas. Thus, selecting appropriate topic is one of the most important decisions you make on your dissertation journey. I will suggest some effective and efficient to select a topic and offers criteria in this study. With the necessary gear and topic that interest you, the next is obtaining expert judge to help your field. So these are some information. I hope that these information are very useful for choosing a dissertation topic.